Hi, all, Rene here. I have another unboxing for you. This is the Craft with Heart card making subscription, and I'm just going to go ahead and dig into it. Get rid of that. So these cards are always so much fun to make because they're fast and easy. This is the September through December kit, and it looks like we have quite a few different kinds of cards. We've got some, it looks like some Christmas cards, which is great. These are going to be thank you cards. Those are always helpful. Birthday, another thankful. There's another Christmas. Thankful. This one looks like it could be used for a birthday, make a wish, and just a hello card. This is a nice little kit. So the kit does come, shows you how to make all the cards. There are some shaker windows in these ones, and they are our new shakers, our stars. These aren't diamonds, star shakers. So you get your shaker windows in acetate. You get a little black square, I forget what we were calling these. Yeah, I need to remember what the name is on these. Our little, just our little ink pads. And you get one of the thin acrylic blocks, which I absolutely love these because they don't take up much room. They work great. This is our new color of the year, Bluebell, and these are the loose sequins for the color Bluebell. Those are beautiful. Yay! These kits also come with an exclusive stamp set that you cannot purchase any other way. So here is this stamp set. I'll hold that up so you can see it a little better. Sorry about the glare. These are really nice. You get all of the envelopes that you need, and these are some colored envelopes. How fun. Take a look at these real quick. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this kit makes 24 cards. So we've got this beautiful green and this really nice gray card. Those are envelopes. You always get a little card that you can use. You can put it in a frame and put it up. I've just been collecting mine and thought maybe I would put them in like a junk journal. So there is that. And then you get all of, get that box out of the way, you get all of the card pieces that you need. And the thing that's really great about this is if you've done our Cut Above layout kits, it's exactly the same thought process behind it, where all you need is adhesive. That is it. Everything has been done for you. You've got all of your card bases. Some of them will be pre-printed, so we'll do a quick look through those. I'll do it fast. There's 2 of each, so I'm just going to grab. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love that. I love that paper. Oh, that's nice. There. Oh, a plaid. Oh, that's really pretty. So you'll make 2 of each card. That's another pretty one. There's that one, and then the final one. So those are all of your card bases. So they're already pre-printed for you. Then what you get is you get die cuts that go with each card. So you'll get, because you're making 2 of each card, you'll get 2 sheets of each. So, and they're very clearly marked which card they go with, so it makes it really easy when you're following these instructions. You'll know, okay, card 1 is going to look like this when you're done, and it gives you some simple instructions. These cards are all really easy to make. So you'll get die cuts for all your different cards, and so you'll get everything you need in the kit. So that is the card kit for September through December. If you have any questions about the card kit, you want to learn more about signing up for the subscription, how you get these card kits, just leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to get back with you and answer your questions. You can also check out my online store to get more information about the card kit. And I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will be back not too far in the future to go ahead and put these together and show you how easily they go together. So I hope you're having a great day, and again, if you have questions, just leave those for me below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.